Hello to everyone. Myself Habibur Rahman, Assistant Professor of Business Administration, Islamic College Autonomous, Wanembadi. Guys, today I would like to impart very important topic from our subject, that is strategic management. One, portfolio management. Point number two, divestment, and third one is BCG matrix. Let's see what is portfolio management. The term portfolio management refers to the different kinds of business or different kinds of products an organization dealing. For example, if an organization is involved in three different businesses such as textile, chemical, and cool drinks business, then it will be said that it is having three portfolio. Guys, first I would like to tell what is portfolio management. If you are running an organization, you are producing only one product, you are selling only one product, then there is no portfolio. If you produce more than one product, two products, three products, four products, five products, any number of products, then you are having two portfolio. If you produce two products, two portfolio, three products, three portfolio. So depends upon how many products you produce, that much of portfolios you are managing. So portfolio management means if an organization produces more than one product, then it is termed as portfolio management. In this example, it is mentioned that there are, if an organization dealing with three different kinds of products, that is textile, chemical, and cool drinks, then that particular organization is having three portfolios. When an organization has a number of portfolios, it becomes necessary to know which is the best portfolio for investment and which is the worst portfolio for divestment. Yes, guys, if you are having two products, three products, four products, then you need to understand which product is giving more profit, which product is not giving perfect profit, which product is very essential for investment, which product is essential for divestment. Textile business, if you think that if we invest in textile more, then it will give more returns, then it is well and best. If you produces cool drinks, if you think that because of the rainy seasons cool drinks business is not up to the mark, you don't like to invest, then it is the best option. So depends upon the products, you think that whether we go for investment or not. So next point is divestment. Divestment means closing down of the organization due to unavoidable circumstances. The organization may close particular business because it cannot resume the business due to certain problems. So again, I want to repeat, divestment means closing down of the organization due to unavoidable circumstances. The unavoidable circumstances may include very strong competition, product becoming outdated, or government regulations, etc. So during such critical circumstances, it is wise to close down the business and shift to some other businesses. Divestment means you are not investing, you are taking back your amount due to any reasons. Reasons cannot be one, any reasons. So fine. First, portfolio management. When portfolio management will implement, when your organization produces more than one product. Divestment means you are not investing amount, you are taking amount back due to any problem. Next, BCG matrix. Very important topic this is. Full form is Boston Consulting Group, meaning the Boston Consulting Group's product portfolio matrix, BCG matrix, is designed to help with long-term strategic planning. To help a business consider growth opportunities by reviewing its portfolio of products, to decide where to invest, to discontinue or develop products. It is also known as growth or share matrix. So BCG matrix means an organization can decide based on this matrix whether to invest or to divest. Next, let's see what actual BCG matrix is. The term BCG matrix refers to Boston Consulting Group. The BCG matrix helps to divide for further investment and divestment in business. It is classified into four categories. That is star market, point number two, question mark market, Point number 3, cow market. And point number 4, dog market. Let's see what is star market. Before going to star market, let's see the chart. So production market, our market, results. If your organization is dealing with 4 categories of products, that is cosmetics products, cool drinks products, medicines products, textile products, right? I will show you. Please see here. If your organization is dealing with cosmetics, cool drinks, medicines, textiles, then you are having 4 portfolios. For that, you need to understand first that market is having for our product certain kinds of space, that is segmentation, targeting and positioning. First, you need to analyze this. Then you need to go ahead for investment or divestment process. If cosmetic products gives more production, more scopes in market, then your market is called as star market, because production is also high, market value is also high, then it is termed as star market. Whereas if you produce cool drinks, then production of cool drink is high, but market is low due to rainy season, then it is a question mark whether to invest in cool drinks product or not. You need to wait and watch. If you are having medicine market, unless your production is low, but your market is having high due to any diseases, due to whatever it may be, if your market is having high value, then it is termed as cow market, because investment is low, but outcome, profit is high. If you are having textile business, whereas investment is also low, market also low, the profit also low, then it is termed as dog market, which is safety market, no doubt, but investing in that particular market again and again does not give any higher returns. Even we can say does not make any sense. So guys, star market, question mark market, cow market, dog market. This is termed as BCG market. Star means high production, high sales, high market value. Question mark means production will be high, but market is not up to the mark. We can say low market or medium market. For medicines product, low production is there, but market is high, sales are high, then it is termed as cow market, because you can invest. Like how cow is giving milk, similarly, your products will give profit in the market. In textile business, your production is low, even the outcome, the return is also low. It is termed as dog market. Investing in this particular business is not advisable. So if you have 4 products, you need to think about investment or divestment. That is termed as BCG matrix. Let's see what is star market. If our product is in star market, it means that the market is very strong and there is possibility for growth. So if the organization is willing, it can make further investment in star market. Yes, guys. If your product is higher demand in the market, no doubt you will produce more and more. If production is higher and demand of your product is also higher, then you are star in the market, because no one is there in the market to compete with you, to beat you. Definitely, your product will grow. Ultimately, your organization will grow and it will achieve its objectives at the particular period of time. Point number 2 is question mark market. Question mark represents the doubtful conditions of our product, but the market is strong. In this stage, the organization has 2 options. Point number 1, it can make investment in future. Point number 2, the organization can leave the market. Yes, guys, in question mark market, you need to think about investment because you have doubt. the market or the product will rock like anything in future or not. You will having the question. So you need to analyze the market situation, conditions, then only you need to think about the investment. So at that particular stage, you will be having two options. That is investment in future, not at present, in future, or the organization can leave the market. You can come out from that particular market and you can invest in another product, and that product can market in the particular market, and definitely it will give boom to your business. Next, point number 3 is cow market. The cow market represents a standard demand for our products in a low market. This is the market for the product is low, but our share is high. In cow market, there is no scope for growth of the market, so the further investment is not necessary. And if required, a part of the investment may be taken from the cow market for reinvest in the star market. Yes, guys, cow market, the demand for your product is high, no doubt. If you produce less or more, definitely customers will come and buy your product. And scope is also not up to the mark. You cannot say that this business will give lots of profit. Sale is there, but outcome, profit margin is not up to the mark. It is a safer market, no doubt, but higher growth is not possible. So for such kind of market, you can do one thing. You can minimize or lower the production. That investment amount you think to invest in cow market can be taken and reinvest in star market, because in that particular period of market, the investment is also high, profit is also high. So that is termed as cow market. And point number 4, last point, dog market. Dog market represents a market conditions where the market is very small and the share of our product is also small. So there is no scope for development. Hence, it is better advised that the dog portfolio is closed down and the capital is transferred to star market. Yes, guys, for dog market, the very best example is textile industries, investment, returns, everything is like question mark. Higher we cannot say, lower we cannot say, at least middle level margins we cannot say. It depends upon the situations. So for that particular period of market, what you can do, one is you can take that particular amount and reinvest in star market, or you can do one thing, you can close down that particular business and you can reinvest in another business. So guys, BCG matrix, 4 divisions, that is star market, question market, cow market, dog market. Star market means higher production, market is also higher. Question mark, production is higher but market is low. Medicine industry, whether the production is higher or low, market is definitely high, so it is termed as cow. For dog market, the production is low as well as the market value is also low. So it is termed as dog market. So it is very, very important topic. Next thing we'll discuss in next video. Wish you all the best. Thank you.